Welcome back to Adventures with David. We have returned to Knott's property to give you guys some theme park updates, Monty of course, and some new foods. So if you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video, at the very end, give us some thumbs up, hype this video as much as possible, and subscribe if you guys love theme park content. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's head inside. As we finally end January's chapter for Adventures with David in 2026, I have to say, I am living it up big time. We started it off at Oddities and Curiosities, Anime Los Angeles. We went to Spooky Art Walk, and we went to Pasadena Comic Con. Now is the time. I'm gonna be doing a live stream and an actual video coverage of Creep IE Con. What in the world was Netflix filming here about a week and a half ago? Or a week ago? Dude, that's crazy. I was here when they were filming. They had the colonial people in the background, so it could be a Netflix series, a movie, America 250 docuseries. So it could be that. Possible Netflix. Again, it's only my opinion. I'm not sure. But yes, I'm pretty, like a lot of people were mentioning that Netflix was actually here. But I do have some big news to tell you. I actually got press for the Peanuts celebration. So I will be back here next weekend to give you guys a food vlog and showcase you guys some entertainment. You come out to Knott's Berry Farm, it's probably gonna be at nighttime, but these kiosks are pretty much back, dude. They're actually on currently. As we walked along, what is happening at the Emporium? Pretty sure Legacy Store's not coming back, but are they refurbishing it or what's happening there? Where the back actually is, they're pretty much putting everything out there. I don't know what they're utilizing that for, but I will always say, possibly the most part, they're using one of these warehouses to house the MonteZOOma's ride vehicles. But also, what in the world are those? Oh, we'll find out, right? All right, let's head inside. All right, so the facade is all prepped up and ready to go for tomorrow. All that's gonna be all photo ops. Everyone's gonna have long lines to take their pictures. But you know what? We're here for the Monty update, that's right. Hey, let's check out a secret menu item that's been here for a minute at Grizzly Creek Lodge. Let's go. I've been wanting to try for a while. It's not on their actual menu. It's kind of off the beaten path menu, but it's right here, the breakfast melt. Now, you can get it in, I believe it's 2 different flavors. I had to get this in bacon, but they actually come with 2 different sides, where you can get it in fries or you can get it in mac and cheese. We gotta try the fries. One of the best things is they give you 2 of these, not just 1, but they actually give you 2 of these. So this is perfect item to share. Grab one of these. You get 2 of them. One for each. Bottoms up. Oh yeah, short fire, dude. Holy cow, this is good. It takes a while for it to come to you, from the crispiness of the bread to the very top of the toppings. Egg is well done. Perfect. Oh yeah. Now it's time to check out Monty. So a lot of the work hasn't been filled yet, but the anchor points are here. So they have more and more of the anchor points. We're talking about the LSM launching the attraction. So it looks like there may be anchor points for the launch. And for the attraction, there's a newer piece right there, that pole. Not sure what that is. Looking at the video a million times, it definitely does look like the launch is only gonna be forward, not backward or not randomized, just in my opinion, because there's little to no room. The cement work will be coming soon, but it looks like they're getting it prepped more for anchor points. More and more updates. I haven't been here for about a week now, and it looks not even the same anymore. It looks all different. There is a lot of metal work that they have here. They have OSB back over there. They actually closed off the front, the bottom left facade. Are still working on the queue line because, again, the queue line has so much work they gotta do. They gotta do some more painting here where the front facade is. They're probably working on the wood because some of the wood's gonna be rotted, old, so they had to change it out. That's your Monty update right there. A quick Monty update. I have a lot to do today, so it's your quick Monty update. Hey Josh, look at, it's okay now. We're good. The parking situation is getting somewhat better this morning. Pretty much Camp Snoopy is not gonna be home anywhere for the Peanut celebration, except for some of the decorations. Now, the stage in general doesn't have absolutely no decorations whatsoever for the Peanut celebration to celebrate the Peanuts gang that saved Knott's Berry Farm. What the heck? Okay, you know what this feels like more than ever? Like this. Exactly. Oh, well, look at these 2 right here. We are just 1 day away from celebrating you guys. That's right. You guys are what saved Knott's Berry Farm. We absolutely love you guys, and it's so great. Oh, we have Sally, and we have her sweet Babu right here. And he'll never get rid of that blanket. We all know that. That's right. This is exactly what we're going to be saying if they actually pause and hold off and stall MonteZOOMas. You see, this would be a perfect spot for the peanut celebration meet and greets for Fiesta Village. Still down, guys. Like I say, pretty fast. They have the track down. Still down now. But, oh, we got the Galloping Goose. Check it out. Look at the Galloping Goose is right here. This is the stage we've all been actually waiting for. It's pretty cool. This used to be Sparky's Ranch. Now they call it Celebration Ranch. That's Spike right there. Check it out. I hope, man, it's a surprise that Spike returns to Knott's Berry Farm. Let's go, man. Let's go. But also, stay off the stage. Could hurt you. They have cactus there. Be careful. Ooh, look at this. Looks like today they're dropping the food items. There you go. Look at this. This one right here, deep fried strawberry cheesecake funnel cake with pecans. Dude, there we go. So it looks like they're maybe even dropping it today. So I'm just literally walking alongside. We just passed by the town hall, which that's pretty cool that they have that. All the signage is up, ready to go. 1 day away from Peanut Celebration. But what in the world? They have no kite eating tree anywhere around the town hall or anywhere around this place. So we are here just 1 day before the Peanuts celebration. And the funny part is, it says this was supposed to be the sketch school, and there's absolutely no sign anywhere around here that says sketch school. What the heck? I guess you're just gonna have to guess. All right, I know it's still pretty early for speculations. What do you guys think? Come on, let me know in the chat below. What will come of the old grimoire? Now also too, will they actually tear down Mystery Lodge? Only time will tell. All right, so the river rapids are still down, but there is 2 brand new boxes that they added to this attraction. So as we have something new coming to the attraction, they're cleaning it up. They should be up and running pretty soon. As you can definitely tell, they're working on it right now, but it should be up pretty fast. So as we headed through the boardwalk, we actually saw the kiosk. Still doesn't work in general, but the one that's right next to Hang Time is actually in operation. Now, it is really hard to see in person and then even on camera. Like, I was really trying to get that on camera. It was absolutely hard. We now know Johnny Rockets, and it was pretty much kind of what I mentioned in my last vlog, that it was going to be themed from the Berry Tales attraction. So I think at the most part, this may be the themed restaurant they were supposed to bring for the Berry Tales attraction, which is now Crafty's Kitchen. So Crafty Coyote is known in Berry Tales itself for being a mischievous coyote, stealing the boysenberry pies. But now he has a themed restaurant where he's a kitchen mastermind. So beginning April 15th, they're going to start possibly tearing down Johnny Rockets. I wish it was something that it had the paw prints all over the place. It looked like a factory. I don't know. It's just my opinion in general. It's all going to be themed from chicken and fries. We'll see. We'll see the most part. I hope me and my community members, we're hoping that they bring in boysenberry pies. Normally, at the most part, you have the meet and greets like here or right in front with Mr. Boysen. But I hope inside there, you can see more of the coyote pups. We'll see. Only time will tell. Well, April 15th, we're only going to see what they're going to do at Johnny Rockets. All right, so here it is. Brand new merch. Peanuts Celebration. Now, we talked about the 2026 shirt right there, but they have a new shoulder plushie. Look at this. They got Belle and Snoopy. There you go. Which one of these are you guys gonna sport on your shoulder? I have new bags right here. There you go. New reusable bags. So we'll check out throughout the park to see if there's newer merch. That's a very smaller section that they have here for the merch. Right, so that's new right there. Let's celebrate. Look at that. They have all the characters. I mean, you can barely see them, but yeah, they're gonna bring that one out. Tomorrow is the big time, the big day for the Peanuts celebration. So make sure you guys do come on out. Scope out, let's celebrate. Scope out Snoopy's legendary Rooftop concert. Now, I know people have asked, Dave, are you gonna be an opening day for Peanut Celebration? I usually am here for the Peanut Celebration opening day, but unfortunately, for the most part, I will not be attending opening day. I will be at Creepy Con, one of the world's largest horror conventions you will ever attend. And that's gonna be awesome. Can't wait for that one. But I'll be back here the following weekend because again, this is only on weekends, not on weekdays. I know. We had a whole blog about this, but It's peanut celebration time. Here we go. This is spot number 2 right here. Check it out. Oh, now they have the shirts here. Look at this. The event shirt. It's pretty cool. They have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have all the events right here. Every one of us is taking, look at this. They're fun pictures right there. And look at this. I have this one at home or in my car always. It's Woodstock, the shoulder plushie. Oh, look at this. The mood. That's right. Look at that. It's all of us after we finish doing a giant food vlog. 2026 Peanut Celebration t-shirt, $19.99 for youth and $22.99 for adults. But look at that tree right there. We are still expecting a kite-eating tree, and we haven't even found one today. There you go. That's the front part of the shirt right there. As much, I don't know. I like the blue. The gray, the heather gray looks great, dude. I love how this one looks. Not bad. I wish they would utilize the outline on this one, but hey, not bad. This is a not bad shirt right here. They have the Snoopy backpack right there. All right, guys. So in the chat, where have you seen this before? So this is a repurposed item at Camp Snoopy. Where have you seen this one before? And a special shout out to everybody for coming up and saying hello to me. It was awesome. You guys are the greatest fans on this planet, dude. Cannot wait to bring you guys so many more adventures in 2026. Okay, so this was actually blocked off the last time I was actually here. They actually opened it up. They was here for Knott's Dairy Farm, Knott's Merry Farm. Now it's for the peanut celebration. So if you kind of want to get away from the giant crowds, grab your merch before everyone else does, come on out and scope this out. Look at this. Nicely decorated, I would say. So you got all the characters. They did a good job with all the marketing that they actually have here. It's pretty cool. And also, if you want to know if it's newer merch, the best way to do it is grab the tag, flip it over, and if it says Six Flags Entertainment Corporation, it's new. A quick update vlog for you guys. Can't wait to be back here at Knott's Berry Farm to showcase you guys the peanut celebration. But if you guys really enjoyed this video, give us some thumbs up, hype this video up as much as possible, and subscribe if you guys love theme park content like this. And now we are onward to the next fun adventure. See you guys at Creepy Con. Let's go.